In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, resize, and delete columns in Notion. If you're just getting started with Notion, or you're looking to make your workspace more organized and efficient, mastering these simple column operations is key. So, let's dive right in and streamline your Notion experience. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Notion workspace. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, click on Log In to access your account. If you're not signed in already, simply enter your login credentials and hit Enter. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the Notion homepage. This is where you'll find all your active projects, documents, and any other ongoing tasks. Once you're at the Notion homepage, locate the database you want to modify. If you're managing data or information in a table format, you'll find a section labeled Database. Click on it to open. Now you should see a table with columns and rows of information that represent your data. At the top of your table, look for a button or link that says Add Property. Clicking this allows you to insert a new column into your database table. When you click on Add Property, you can choose the type of property or column you want to add. You might select text, a checkbox, a date, or many other options depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, the column will appear in your table, and you can customize it further by naming it or adjusting its settings. When it comes to resizing columns, let's take that same table again. You'll want to hover your mouse to the left side of any block within your table. You'll notice a small handle, often represented by dots or lines. This is what you'll click and hold. Once you've got it, simply drag the handle to resize the column to your preferred width. This allows you to make sure each column efficiently displays its data without unnecessary space, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. Deleting a column is just as straightforward. Simply click on the specific block or column header that you intend to remove. After selecting it, you will see an option to delete. Clicking on this option will remove the column from your table. Deleting is a great way to ensure your workspace remains focused only on the necessary information you need at a given time. That wraps up our tutorial on adding, resizing, and deleting columns in Notion. By mastering these simple steps, you can keep your workspace organized, efficient, and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful Notion tips and tutorials.